You see I'm not breaking eye contact? I haven't even blinked in a minute. What's up, guys? It's Gian.
What up, guys? It's Byron.
And we are here in the Highsnobiety, New York office. Gonna unbox some stuff.
Let's get to it.
Let's get to it. First off, we gotta secure the bag alert from Just Don and Rémy. As you know, Just Don, or not Just Don, but Don C and his brand Just Don have collaborated with Rémy Martin on a series of special items launched throughout 2018 into this year. The last thing we saw was the Dot Kit that launched in January. Before that, there was a lambskin baseball cap, the jersey, I think that dropped at Art Basel. But of course, this is the pièce de résistance, as they say in Francais, which is French for in French. But it is the duffel, you know.
A duffel bag.
Lambskin leather duffel bag. This is $750. You can get it from justdon.com, part of that
Very
Just
nice.
Rémy collection. You know, you got these details like the golden hardware and removable strap.
Yep,
So
very on brand with
you
the
can
red
get the
lining
strap.
here.
Red lining, it's kind of like got like this little reptilian detail to it. It's kind of tight. And this really heavy duty zipper.
Zip that open.
Yeah, there we go. Oh, we got some goodies inside.
All right. You starting off early.
There we
Let's
go.
get to it.
Okay.
All right.
But yeah,
Help you out here.
so that's it from the Just Rémy collection. This is the last item coming out from that. So, shouts to Rémy Martin for that, and Just Don, and congratulations, Don C, on the Just Rémy collab. Of course, first off, these are the Ultra Olive joints.
Ultra Olive 990.
So
man.
Ultra
Sick.
Olive, really dope brand based out of LA. New Balance 990, classic shoe. Now, there's not much that really has changed here, but you know, of course, you got the Made in USA versions, and then this one, which is, you know, nice little pouch, little baggy.
It's almost
about
like a
accessories.
mini wallet.
That's right, mini wallet. I'm rich, so I keep my AirPods inside.
Keep the AirPods in there, you know.
That's right, and you know, these are real AirPods, so you know.
Nah, we don't do fugazi stuff over here.
Nah,
we don't do that.
We don't do that. But yeah, you know, I mean, the 990 is just a classic shoe. The mesh on here really pops, and you know, the addition of this little tongue baggie is great. So shouts to Ultra Olive for these. I mean,
I don't know if you guys see it though. You know, this was inspired by Inspector Gadget.
Oh,
Do
yeah?
you see the resemblance?
There we go. Oh, look, and you can even, you know,
classic cartoon, man.
switch it on the other side with these accessories, bungee cords, different laces.
Really dope.
Yeah, they're good. I'm gonna wear these a lot in the summer.
Yeah, definitely. I mean,
because you can't really like wear coats in the summer, and you know, you get all sweaty with a backpack. And this is gonna be nice for, you know, my AirPods, maybe a Jewel, something like that.
You can always keep an extra stash.
That's true.
Everywhere you go, you need somewhere to hide stuff. So that's
Of course.
Perfect pocket there.
Exactly. I think we got something else in here too. One of the hotly anticipated releases from the swoosh.
Hey.
And Slam Jam. Shouts to Italy. Shouts to
Shout out to Slam
Milan,
Jam.
Ferrara. You know, the Slam Jam fam. Of course, they were here during New York Fashion Week. They did a little event with Onyx Collective, and you could actually reserve these pairs if you were at their showroom during Fashion Month. Class 1977 Blazers. Oh, wow, look at these stickers.
That's dope. Let me see one of these.
That's really dope.
All right, got the 77
Okay.
here. Okay.
And even the wrapper has like the featuring Onyx Collective branding on it too. And I'll let you hold this one. I'm gonna need that back.
All right.
But here we go. You can't go wrong with this shoe. I mean, to me, some of my favorite sneakers are really simple silhouettes with just the right amount of twist to it. And there's your twist, the upside down swoosh on the other side, and the Class 1977 on the back of the heel. I mean, the Blazer is such like a classic, like, you know.
It really is.
It goes with everything.
You can't go wrong with the Blazer.
Yeah.
And I just love the simple touch of the upside down swoosh. It's just like, oh man, it just really pops, and that's all I need when I'm rocking my shoes, man. This speaks to me.
And you don't, you might not be able to notice this until you have it in hand, but it's actually canvas on one side and canvas at the tongue, and then you have leather accents right here on the inside. So it's a nice little
nice touch of details.
Mashup fabric there. Yeah. Even like on the eye stays, you got one suede, one canvas.
Yep.
Perfect shoe.
Slam Jam did their thing on these, man.
Right?
These are really tough.
Smashed it. Killed it. Congrats, Slam Jam.
Yeah, must cop.
For sure.
All right, let's see what else we got.
I love me some guac. And you
Guacamole,
can't have guacs without avocados.
Whoa.
Now these are really toasty. These are the Saucony avocado toast joints. It's the model is it? 9,000?
This is the 6,000. Shadow 6,000.
Shout out to the Saucony 6,000 avocado joints. I mean, obviously this is avocado toast.
I love avocado, so I love these. Like, it's really that
But the
simple.
thing I like about it too is the execution of the avocado here. I think they're called the guacamoles. That's what the box said. We all saw.
Creative twist.
You know, it's not just a uniform green. So you got like these parts that have, you know, they oxidize. That's what oxidation is. You know, when like
Science
like
fact.
apple and like avocado, they like turn color over time. That's what happens. But that's how you know it's fresh. You know. Of course, you got your alternate laces here that match the interior mesh detail of the inside. And the best part about this is, unlike regular avocados, you have no core in the middle.
I hate
you
that
gotta
part,
like,
bro.
or the pit,
I
whatever,
hate that.
you know.
But Saucony always does a good job when in regards to executing like concepts on shoes, and I mean these scream avocado to me when you look at them. So
That's true.
really dope concept.
You know, so wear them to brunch, have an orange juice, maybe a little bit of Prosecco in it or whatever. Is that a mimosa?
Almost
You
like,
know.
you know, get a vibe going.
Get a vibe
you know
going.
the vibes. You know the
Yeah,
vibes.
Rock these with a fur vest. All I'm saying, you know,
Swackamoles,
brunch
man.
vibes all day.
All day, man.
That's right. All right. Next up, we got some other stuff.
All right, got some from the three stripes.
Okay. I thought you were gonna go for something else, and that's why I made a weird face. but-
It's all good. My bad.
Now, of course, we all know Byron is an absolute expert in electronic music from the 90s, and so Sneakers and Stuff had to send him their edition of the Nite Jogger, inspired by club music. Oh, Byron, I don't know if you don't know this. Byron's a Mo Wax head. He listens to jungle. He listens to
That's what I do,
Sound of the
man. That's what I
Underground,
do.
Factory Records, all that.
All that good stuff.
You know?
man.
You might not know this.
I'm inspired
It's
by the
true.
90s too, and this is inspired by the 90s electronic scene.
Yep.
And you just get the funky vibes, man. We have all the multicolored paneling here. Obviously, the Nite Jogger has some 3M reflective
Right.
material as well. And a boost midsole, of course, for comfort. When you're getting that nice jog, you're just walking around the city, man. Hey, you get,
Right? When you
This is
jog,
definitely a vibe.
that happens to me all the
yeah.
time.
These are dope, man. I really like the Nite Jogger. I think Adidas has something here with
Yeah.
this silhouette. What do you think?
Yo, this part smashes it. You know, you look at the sole,
Yeah,
it's got
the
little
sole is crazy.
multicolors.
Sole is crazy.
I mean, these things sort of remind me of like techno graphics from back in the day, you know what I'm saying?
Good point. Good point.
Yeah. All those album covers, I mean, like Justice, Spank Rock.
Yep,
You know, you have
yep.
no idea what I'm talking about, do you?
I don't. I'm just like, yeah,
Okay.
I do. I don't.
Yeah. All right.
But these are dope. That's
Yeah,
what
they're
I'm
good.
gonna say.
They're a
These
good
are
shoe.
dope. These are dope.
All right, what else
what
we got?
else?
We got some stuff from Reebok. Actually, this is another clean shoe I'm really excited about. Adsum is a low-key brand from New York, and they've worked with Reebok before, I believe, or they've done a couple of shoe collabs, but this is a rendition of the Pyro, and
Nice.
it's a really clean shoe. I'm all about like white shoes when the weather starts to get a bit less cold. You know what I'm saying? Like, these are like, you wear these with Patagonia baggies and ankle socks and like a white t-shirt that you've had forever.
You always need a shoe that you can just throw on with anything.
Right.
Or like you just need to get up and go. Like
Exactly.
this Pyro Reebok classic shoe falls into that category.
It's a shoe that's like almost like a dad shoe.
Yeah.
But like your dad could rock them, but he'd be like accidentally fresh.
Yeah.
And then everybody else, they just work. And of course, you got the Adsum branding on the back, the hits of blue on the inside of the shoe and around the heel. And then this nice little pop of lime green on the sole.
It's a really nice spring cake, man. Definitely
it's
perfect
good.
for the season.
Yeah,
I really like
congrats
these.
Adsum. Congrats
Yeah.
Reebok. Good job.
Yes, sir.
Keep it up.
Dope.
All right.
What else we got?
Oh,
I
yo,
think
we
I like
staying
these, man.
in club wear. We're staying in the rave game right
Let's go.
now.
Let's get to it.
Let's go.
Let's get to it.
All right, what's good? We got Doc Martens.
Doc Martens.
And
man.
another LA brand, Pleasures, of course. Woo, look at that. Still got the sample tags on.
These are fresh out
Float
the
Squad,
box,
Team Early. Now,
Let's see.
you know, if you know Pleasures, you know they're inspired by multiple subcultures, punk, emo,
Yep.
grunge, a little bit of electronic in there. Definitely a lot of club culture and subversive music styles. So they have the Now on the back of the heel right here and the sort of not distressed,
Distressed.
this graphic treatment.
Yeah, it's like a teeth,
Yeah.
a teeth motif. you
Teeth
could say.
motif,
Yes.
if you will.
Yes.
You know, they're sort of like fancy creepers. I mean, there is another version of this that's like an exaggerated creeper, but I like that this has like a saddle shoe, spectator shoe vibe.
Yeah.
I freak with it.
Yeah. Honestly, this is not my vibe, but actually getting a closer look,
Yeah.
I think I can really pull these off. And I mean, these.
That's right. You can't wear them with joggers though. Don't wear these with joggers.
Don't wear these with joggers. You got to do something right with these. I mean, but these will catch your eye immediately when you put on your feet.
You can rock with like a sweater like this or that new Supreme mohair joint that dropped. You know, it's
But you know what? What I appreciate about Pleasure is they definitely make a statement with any collab that they do. Like you can tell it's a Pleasure collab, and clearly it is. Like just look at the shoe. Yeah, they did a great job on these, man.
And I cannot stress the importance of these back tabs.
Yes.
They don't do this always on the 1460 model, but it's, you know, it's from the boot, of course. No, this is the 1461, sorry. The boot is the 1460, if y'all are nerds like me. But yeah, the back tab actually makes it easier to pull on the shoe, because anybody who's tried to break in a pair of Doc Martens knows that the hardest thing is the first couple months.
Yeah, they could be tough to break in.
Dedication, you know?
Yeah, all right. Tough. Yeah.
They're tough. And that's about it from us. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Peace.